Model, 2013 Ford Transit long wheelbase, minibus diesel rear-wheel drive medium roof 14-seater TDCi 135ps low mileage. Starstruck. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 78,254. MOT, 19 July 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2135 PS TDCi-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine but it has a misfire on idle, will need at least one injector replacing. The engine itself is fine, really quick fix and worth every minute doing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. First to see this will buy it. Smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,195. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.